and greetings for the festive season. May God bless you all with lots of happiness, wealth, success, good health, everything, whatever you want, family, holidays, Mercedes car, nice home, healthy family, good relationship, everything, whatever you wish. May God bless you all. So here we go. The analysis will again left, right, and center continue. So our analysis today is on the next part, which where we are going to apply one new indicator. So the indicator name I have already explained to you in the last session. This is one of the most important indicator which we will be using it. And I will expect every one of you to participate in a very simple way. You can clearly see that Dow is now trying to reverse, but still the size of the candle is not so showing the strength. Yet we can see that the market is now in the verge of some correction. You can clearly see we have drawn a trend line. So for those people who have missed the earlier session, like Rakshit ji, I will request to you, please check the recording immediately. Let's use the 20-day moving average for Dow futures. And so this is not the Dow futures. So the Dow is right now available and it's tradable. I will request every one of you to please make sure once you are applying the daily chart, and also keep a pen and a diary along with you, because this is really the most important part of the session. So what I'm trying to tell you, my dear friends, is these are the very simple but very important points to be observed. First thing I wanted to observe, clarify to you is my personal observation. Abhi aisa nahi hai ki looking at this chart, what is my analysis? If you will ask me as an expert, since we have a lack of time, I will not try to take your individual input. We'll have it someday when we'll be doing some live trading. I will also connect every one of you to show how we do the live trading in Nifty and Bank Nifty also. So I think this is really important to achieve our small targets. And also we have to make sure that whenever we are trying to make some money and whenever we are trying to give some input, then always we have to be very much careful with respect to our options and the markets. So this is how the story of the market looking like, and the story of the, so you can clearly see the size of this candle. Abhi mere liye candle is now irrelevant. The reason is still it is showing the strength, but when I will start to say that that the market is now showing the symptoms of reversal, number one point, once it breaks the high of the previous day. What is the high of this previous day? You can clearly see in your screen. I will just increase the brightness of my screen also. So you can clearly see that the previous high is around of the Dow is around 35,104. Until and unless Dow do not touch it, let's not be becoming over enthusiastic and bullish. So this is one way to observe the trend. Again, this is only for the 20-day moving average. And so I have to apply, say, two indicators. So one indicator I have applied today, which is a moving average. Again, I am going to apply one more moving average. But this moving average, I will be applying it to, say, 50-day moving average. So please note it down. In only one chart, we will apply the second moving average, which is at 50. So this is a 9. Just hold on. So what we wanted to do, चलिए इसी को modify करते हैं. So let's, I think I don't know why the hell it's not getting modified. Just hold on. Just hold on for a sec. Yeah. So what I'm trying to tell every one of you is very important, very important part of the session, that पहले इस indicator को हटा दो. चलो, let's again make some new indicators. So moving average पहले हमने देखा, 20 days के moving average is again, it is not able to break. So let's apply the fresh moving average and see what is happening here. So let's, I think it's creating problem. So we'll apply after 20-day, 50-day moving average. So 50 दिन का 50 days, you better understand the 50-day moving average. What we will do is, we will try to change the input to 50. So very important point. This is absolutely killing important. So this is the 50-day moving average. Try to understand what I'm trying to tell. This is no one in this world is going to tell you what I'm trying to teach you. Please be very much vibrantly careful with respect to my presentation. This presentation is must and is so important. देखिए, so what is the situation of Dow? Just hold on. Actually, I'm getting an emergency call. Just hold. हाँ जी, so you can see here that the Dow has now broken. So Dow has now broken the two levels. मैंने क्या बोला? Again, we have to apply two indicators. Rakshit ji, you are with us, so try to understand what I'm trying to tell you. अपने को दो इंडिकेटर लगाना है. Both should be the moving average only. So this is the first moving average. पहला moving average Rakshit ji will apply. So let's give this color. Same thing, but this moving average is of again 9 day. ध्यान देना, this is a 9 day moving average. Again we will apply same moving average indicator only. So we'll apply for how many days? We'll apply for the 20 days. So this is 9 days. Just hold on. One is 50 days. This is very important point. I think दो से ज्यादा लगाने नहीं दे रहा है. So again, still it has to cross. इसको एक बार चेंज कर देते हैं. Let's change it. So this is a 9 days. So let's do it 20.
You can actually have 3. I think you have one more in the bottom.
Okay, sure. Thank you. इनका पेड वर्जन भी ले सकते हैं, बट कोई एडवांटेज नहीं है. So हाँ, what we did it, try to understand. This is the most important part. And thank you Rakshit ji for taking the initiative. तो हाँ, इसमें हम लोग क्या करेंगे? Just be very much focused on what we are trying to do through this candle. This is the most important session if you are trying to learn the concept of applying how to apply the moving average. Most important session. So you can clearly think what has happened. You can clearly see. So this is the first moving average. This is the moving average of 20 days. 20-day moving average. Abhi bhi its Dow is at low. So again we will apply for the next, which is 20 day के बाद 50 days. So 50 days represented by this and 100 days this. So you can see what I'm trying to tell you, my dear friends. You can clearly see that Dow has taken the support at 100 day मा. 100 day मा मतलब 100 day moving average पे Dow ने support लिया है. So we have simply placed all these three indicators. So what I'm trying to say, just by applying the moving average as an indicator, you people can understand that the market can absolutely bewildered and it can follow the positioning what I'm trying to tell you guys. This is the most important and the most critical part of the explanation what I'm trying to give it to you, my dear friends. Very, very important point. It means कई लोग बोलते हैं कि यार why to apply too many indicators. So our session today, again, we are not at all trying to refer you to buy anything or sell anything. Only just apply this in the live chart. Right now, we have applied this moving average indicator, and moving average is also known as simple moving average. So moving average and simple moving average both are same thing. Number two. Number three, the most important point what I wanted to showcase and share with every one of you is that the third moving average, you can clearly see. The Dow has not able to cross 20 and 50 day moving average. It has just taken a support here. So it has taken a support near 100 day moving average. Sometimes in market, it may happen that the stock may see correction. So again, that's why I say always if you are a buyer, try to apply the stop losses near moving averages. Because most of the time, due to this is the power of actual technical analysis. Normally stocks take support at this period of time. So you can clearly imagine that the stock is now absolutely taking support. My dear friends, support lena shuru ho chuka hai. So again, this is most important point to be understood with respect to the market analysis, what I'm trying to tell you. This should be the concept to understand. So ये वाला जो part है, उम्मीद करता हूँ आप सबको समझ में आया होगा. Any share, Rakshit ji, we wanted to discuss. I will give an opportunity to every one of you to ask one share today. So we'll apply this indicator. Rakshit ji, any share you wanted to see by applying these three powerful indicators?
Wipro.
Okay, let's go and see Wipro. Wipro ने आज से ऑफिस भी खोल दिया. सारे employees are not happy. Their honeymoon is over. Okay, you can clearly see. ध्यान से देखना. Like this, no one will train you. Everyone will showcase you. This is a strategy, power strategy. This is a strategy, that strategy. No strategy, nothing works in stock market. Only one thing works in the stock market is simple strategy. And it is told by Mr. Shah Rukh Khan that it's not special to be special. It's special to be ordinary. So if you want to become successful in stock market, you have to be ordinary. Ordinary like means think like a simple person. If you will try to analyze too much of hanky-panky ideas, I think you will definitely going to fail. So keep your lifestyle simple, keep your investment style simple. Do not try to take into multiple positions. I was discussing the same thing with one of the participants in this group in an earlier session today evening. Do not try to make too much positions. These are the simple secret of success. No one will share with you. This is my experience of last 6-7 years of daily investing 12 hours from morning to evening. You people know that. So like most of you know me at least since last year or 2 years. So we are not at all doing any other work. We are not selling any insurance. We are not selling home loan. We are absolutely entitled to only one product, which is a stock market. And we want to restrict our knowledge to only one field. Still, what we feel is the way with which the market is evolving and the new companies are coming. I have only 30% of ideas about the companies. New companies are coming, new good companies are coming. So you have to always have a habit of reading. Don't trust anyone, only trust yourself and the knowledge. Okay. So Rakshit ji, you can clearly see that abhi to there is no hope of any downfall. It's still available at a very good price, and it's above 20, 50 and 100 DEMA. So Rakshit ji, no chance of bearishness. And I think once the profit booking will arrive, so it should come to this level, which is 642. So if you are a seller, your stop loss should be at 642. If you are a buyer, then you have to exit your position once it breaks 642, because after 642 it's around 600, and around 600 then the 200 DEMA is around 562. So roughly speaking, 200 DMA is around moving average is around 108 points away from the today's closing. So I think I try to fairly answer your doubts, Mr. Rakshit. Hope it is clear to you.
Yes.
Yeah, thank you. So any further share, anyone? Because we have the house full session today. All the participants have joined after many days. Yeah.
Can you see TCS?
Okay, let's go and see TCS. TCS. Again, same thing. First stop loss is at 3691. Second is at 3427. Third is at 343293. It clearly tells us one story, that until and unless it does not break the 20 DMA, we should not try to sell it. So those people who are looking to sell TCL should wait till here. Once it start breaking 3700 level, then try to short the stock. You can clearly see that there is a trend reversal happening in the TCS. I don't know. The reason is again speculative. People are saying TCS companies going to manufacture chips like Intel and all. I don't know. I don't belong from IT industry. Still, I'm trying to read and access those information. The Tata Group, due to the scarcity globally of semiconductor, especially in the chips which are used in manufacturing cars, automobiles, AI, even your Honeywell automation uses in many type of things. So these are the companies which uses chip mainly for AI, machine learning and other projects. So chip is used everywhere. Microprocessors are used. So mostly they are found in Silicon Valley, America. Right now, there is a big scarcity due to Bitcoin mining and everything. And there is also a scarcity due to the lesser production of, so high demand due to Corona, people have stuck to the laptops. Like in last 2 years only, I have bought 3 laptops, two Apple laptops and 1 desktop. So why I'm trying to tell you is because there is a huge demand to work from home these days. So the demand has increased and the production is in the downfall. So TCS is today have been rising, and you can see it's a clear-cut rise. Why? Because it's a rumor or reality, no one knows. But I think, yeah, looking at the current context, TCS is absolutely well placed. There is no chances of any mandi. Next share, any one of you, you can immediately ask me any stock. You can message us also in case if you want to learn any further stock. Please ask fast because we have limited time.
Sir, Yes Bank.
Pardon, sir? Yes Bank, my dear friend, Yes Bank. Oh my God, it's the share of future. You can clearly see the good point about Yes Bank. कहाँ गया समीर? पीठ थपथपाता हूँ तुम्हारी. I want to clap. So Yes Bank, I think Samir has asked a wonderful session. So Yes Bank, you can clearly see it has today closed above. It has closed at 20 DMA. अगर 20 DMA के ऊपर Yes Bank गया, it can clearly touch 12.2. And if it goes up, it can touch till 13 also. So excellent analysis, Samir. You have pinpointed it. Yes Bank can be bought at this bhav. But again, it's not a recommendation. Do your extra diligence and apply your own knowledge stuff. But still, what I think, this should be your stop loss. If you're trying to buy Yes Bank, 10 rupees 50 pies should be your stop loss. If it breaks, better you should exit. But I think it has just crossed. You can see, I think I'm trying to display this knowledgeable part to every one of you. It has just crossed the 20 DEMA. So 20 DEMA ke baad, it will cross the 50 and then it will come to 200 and then the 200 also. 200 will be, I think, around 14-15 rupees. So let's wait and see and what happens in Yes Bank. ITC, one more share coming from the house of Kiranji. I will just explain. Yes. Okay, so Kiranji, ITC is clearly has broken all the records and now it's trading above it. So again, the target is open. It can touch 217, then it can touch 212, and then again it can touch 227. So I think it's in the uncharted range, and definitely one should be extra bullish for buying this. Again, I have recommended Tata Motors. Let's go and see Tata Motors. So it has just taken a support here, which was 20 DMA. It has just, if the website would have allowed me, I would have shown it has just taken support near 200-day moving average. So the 200-day moving average for the Tata Motors was roughly around 265, 266 only, and it has taken a support from that point only. And now it has just today able to close above 20-day moving average, 50-day moving average. It has just merely closed above 50-day moving average. So the next target will be 311. Better to buy and hold Tata Motors. We have been always bullish. जब से आपने session लेना शुरू किया है, we have been recommending not only the educational point of view only, but we have been highly bullish on these stocks starting from the period of 279. Once it had made the high of 279, we had been absolutely bullish, and it has nearly rallied around 30 points, which is a very, very good numbers. Federal Bank, absolutely good question asked. Federal Bank. What I'm learning Federal Bank in a very, very good way. Let's see what Federal Bank tells you. So you can clearly see that Federal Bank has just closed above 20 DEMA. So I think the next target should be anything 100 DEMA, and then it should be moved around. I think it has just taken support near 20-day moving average, and I think it should, so I think 84 is the hurdle for it. Once it closes above 84, Anjali, so you can clearly see a bigger trend of appraisal happening in the Federal Bank. Recently, they have launched and they have started to come into a new segment of credit cards. So they have recently launched few credit cards and all of them have tied up with Visa. So you know in India there are two types of platforms to use credit card. One is Visa and another is Master. MasterCard has been already blocked by RBI due to data privacy issue. So right now you can only expect the Visa cards, and those Visa cards have been issued by all these banks and financial conglomerates. Any more share you wanted to learn, please message me. Okay, we have got 3 Ruchi Soya SBI cards. Okay, let's go one by one. One by one we'll go. First of all, let's see SBI cards. We have to keep our knowledge in a very, very simpler way. Again, my dear friends, मैं आप सबको पहले से कह रहा हूँ, हिंदी में कह रहा हूँ. I know few of you are from South India. Still, you respect Hindi, you learn Hindi. I'm not trying to demystify every one of you, but try to tell you that stock market में आपका knowledge ही आपकी power है, वही आपको बचाएगा. पुष्कर आनंद भी गलत हो सकता है. मेरे सिखाए हुए, मेरे ट्रेन किए हुए people are now doing wonderful in their life. Many of them has left their jobs. My passion is to train. अब you can say कि अगर आप इतना अच्छा, कई लोग मुझसे सवाल पूछते हैं कि भाई अगर आपको इतना ही आता है तो आप ट्रेनिंग क्यों देते हो, आप सेल्फ ट्रेनिंग क्यों नहीं करते हो? We are doing it, but as a matter of fact, it's our passion. कई लोग कहते हैं कि भाई people ask me this question कि भाई अगर आपको इतना ही आता तो आप ट्रेनिंग क्यों देते हो? आप खुद का ट्रेडिंग करो, पैसे कमाओ, आप क्यों ये कर रहे हो? बट आई थिंक एक सेकेंड स्टक हो गया, 1 मिनट रुकिए, जस्ट 1 मिनट, होल्ड ऑन. I don't know what happened. Wait for a minute, please. I'm trying to reload it. Okay, so just hold on. Something is not working. SBI. Don't know what happened, boss. Hold on, we are trying to restart it. SBI. I think it's stuck. Just hold on. Just hold on. I'm trying to modify it. What happened here? Okay, I think we have opened the American stock market, Nvidia company. You can clearly see it's above all the moving averages. Though we don't have to, so we are starting up a course if you want to trade in American stock market also. So there is a course which we are going to offer very soon. If you want to really, if you are interested to learn, please contact us. We wanted to start a program for that also. I think there is some issue. Why? Because just hold on. I don't know. Wait. Let's close Safari and open again, fresh. Some issue. Okay, now it's working. Actually, my laptop is heated. That's the tragedy with the Apple laptop these days. Unchi dukan, tiki pakwan. Okay, let's go and see SBI charts, SBI cards. Sorry for some technical glimpse and disturbances. Here we go, Rakshit ji. You can clearly see there is still the upward trend having in the stock market, especially in this share of SBI card. It's still available on 20, 50 and 100 DEMA above. No need to short, no need to sell. You can hold with a stop loss. So your first stop loss should be Rakshit will be at this point. So that will be the 20. So 1072 should be a first stop loss, then 1030 and then 1021. So this should be your three stop losses. One more stock, I think Ruchi Soya. Anjali has asked Ruchi Soya. Let's understand Ruchi Soya. Anjali, you have asked the most difficult share in the stock market. It has been the darling of the stock market. Thank you so much, Rakshit ji. No need to check hourly chart, Nilesh ji. I am trying to set up a trend for you as a trader. Dekhiye, if you have to do intraday trading, then only hourly chart will come. First thing is what? First thing, anyone recommends you share to buy for a long term. So what I'm trying to tell you, पहले आपके दिमाग में क्या आता है? Just to see अभी share चल कहाँ रहा है? Where exactly the share is placed? At which point the share is placed? So first thing we have to understand, sir, this is absolutely killing and important to understand, sir. एक share और था, I think I am forgetting, HDFC Bank था, right? So let's see and analyze HDFC Bank. HDFC Bank, Pavitra ji, if you'll ask me, it's above, so it has just, you can clearly see. So it has just touched the 20 DEMA. So 20 DEMA was the first, you can clearly say it as a stop loss. So it has not broken it. So it's holding it. So it's 20 DEMA, you can see was at 1553. It's written here 1553 tha, and it has closed above 20 DEMA, which is 1555. So as per my this knowledge, I will not go short. When I will go short is once it breaks this level. Then what will be my target? My target will be the next DEMA, which is 1508. And what will be my stop loss? Again, my stop loss will be always, if I'm taking trade tomorrow, my stop loss will be today's high. So my today's high is at 1584. 1584 के ऊपर जाएगा, मैं निकल जाऊंगा शॉर्ट से. मैं आपको दोनों ट्रेड बता रहा हूं, शॉर्ट करना, लॉन्ग करना, आपकी चॉइस, आपका नेचर, आपका दिल, आपका दिमाग, किस चीज को तारीफ, किस चीज के बारे में आपको क्या सूट करता है. So that is more absolutely important to you. I'm not here to tell you that whether you should be always buying, you should be always selling. That's totally depending on you. मैंने तो आपको बाइंग और सेलिंग के रिस्क रिवॉर्ड समझा रखे हैं in earlier video. So in this video, I'm just simply telling you, it has just taken a support of 20 DEMA. Virtually, if it breaks 20 DEMA, then the next stop loss should be anyways placed to 50 DEMA, which is at 1509. So आज का सेशन बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रहा. उम्मीद करता हूं आपको अच्छे से समझ में आया होगा. What we did today, we have just taken a help of three moving averages, 50, 20 and 100, to analyze the structured trend of any share. MRF चलते हैं, MRF की बात करते हैं. MRF you can clearly see it has just able to cross 20 DEMA. Today it has able to cross even above 50 DEMA. When the actual buying will happen is once it will cross the 100 DEMA. 100 DEMA is 80,325. So it's absolutely near 100 DEMA. This is a stock which I am very much bullish these days. I think this can become the first lakh takiya stock of the stock market. So it can touch lakh taka. Means 1 lakh rupees तक जा सकता है. Indian hotels. एक सवाल आया Indian hotels. आप सब लोग फिर यहाँ पे टकराए. इंडियन होटल की बात करते हैं. आप सब लोगों का फेवरेट होगा ताज होटल. एस्पिरेशनल होटल है. कई लोग गए होंगे, कई लोग जाना चाहते होंगे. बट मैं कहता अगर आप ताज होटल नहीं भी गए तो आपके लिए खुशखबरी है. आप ताज होटल आने वाले 2 साल बाद जा सकते हैं. अगर आप आज ताज होटल नहीं जाके एक रात में, if you spend 15,000 rupees say in Taj, if you are in Bangalore, Rakshit ji, there is the Taj Bangalore in MG Road. Why you will go and spend 15,000 rupees with your family for one night? Better to buy 100 shares. After 2 years, you can have one night free of cost. So this is how an investor should think. So I think this is the story of Taj share, and also known as Indian Hotels Group. I am exceptionally bullish on this stock. For me, the target for the stock should be at least it should be able to, once it breaks its lifetime high, then I think a bigger and the most wider rally you can expect in the stock. Really, the mesmerizing part is once it breaks the 52-week high, then there will be a bigger sinusoidal effect coming into it, and it can even touch to 190 and $200 also. So this is how the typical story of the Taj share look like. Anyways, this is not at all absolutely any recommendation, but still, if you are a Taj lover, if you have a fantasy to go and have a vacation, to celebrate your birthday or any special day, to have a party hosted in a Taj hotel. If you are in Mumbai, then there are beautiful properties of Taj, like Taj Mahal Palace, Taj Hotel, and also land. So better to save the money and invest, buy at least 100 shares, and this will definitely give you an absolutely cutting edge. Yes. Yeah, 5,315 is also good, but I think I'm trying to give you an analysis for a share which we are absolutely going to hold. So we are absolutely trying to. So मेरा नीलेश जी आपका सवाल है, can we check the hourly charts? Definitely we can check the hourly charts. Let's go and check the hourly charts. यहाँ आपको क्या दिख रहा है नीलेश जी? Can clearly see that यहीं से bullish हो गया था. So this was a break even at 144. So where will be my first stop loss? It will be here at 149. Until and unless it do not break this level, buy में बैठे रहो ना, दिक्कत कहाँ आ रही है? It has just broken this. So once we are absolutely holding the position, let's hold it till it becomes something. Yeah, good. Okay, so here we go. Today was a very important session. I wanted to thank every participant for working so meticulously.